In this tutorial, we'll be covering how to create a new purchase order. There are two ways to access a new purchase order. You can go to the Receiving Sub-tab, and enter a new purchase order here, or you can go to the shortcut created on the little bar right here. This presents you with the general form of creating a new purchase order. Start with vendor. There's three ways you can add vendors. You can just type in the vendor here, say test vendor, pull up test vendor, or you can go to the list and it'll pull up a list of all our vendors in the database, or you can go to the search function and you can type in keywords and it'll pull up all the matches. I'll enter the employee as myself. Make sure this is checked, supervisor approval. Set the receive date as past the created date, so 6/24/2014. You can leave the memo blank unless you have something to inform someone. The division, I'll set it as hair because I'll be ordering hair today, and then I'll set the location as the warehouse. It's going to be where you're receiving the purchase order. Now you go to the Items tab, Items sub-tab. There are several ways to add items. You can press Add Multiple. It'll pull up a list of all our items in our database. You can click them, it'll pull them to the right, and you can add whatever quantity you want. You can press X to remove them from the right. You can also press %, or type in %, and whatever word rows, and it'll pull up anything with the word rows in it. After you choose whichever items you want to add, press done, and it'll add them all right here. Press clear all lines to remove all lines. The next way to add an item is by pressing list. And similar as before, you just press an item, and it'll pull it up here, and you enter the quantity. Or you can, if you know the UPC code, you can just type in the code here. So 0, 1, 2, 3 plus 1. It'll pull up all the matches. Or you can use the search function. Say you want to search by vendor, so you type in vendor. %shake will pull up %. Search function set. And it's in a category called Tyson product category that you can use to sort by item type. So say you want to see all the synthetic hair by Shake and Go, you press synthetic hair, set, and submit the form. It'll pull up all matches that are synthetic weaving hair by Shake and Go. It's similar to the add function. You enter the quantity here, so 3, 3, 3, and you press add multiple, and it'll pull up all of them right here. Now I'll just keep it as this, add 3. You can leave billing, relationships, communication, custom as it is. When you pull up the vendor, it should pull up the information accordingly. And once you're done all of that, you can just press save. And this will pop up saying that you completed your purchase order. And that's all there is to it.